BAC has been participating in Bahrain International Airshow since its inception back in 2010. We have been a strategic partner and supporter of the airshow. It allows us a great platform to showcase Bahrain International Airport and all the developments that have taken place in the airport since that time, including, of course, the new terminal building, which has been the centerpiece of the airport modernization program.
I am proud to announce that we are in the process to establish a Bahrain chapter for women in aviation. This chapter will focus on getting the women who work in the aviation industry together so we can know what are the challenges that women are going through in that specific industry, put solutions to overcome these challenges, and raise awareness about the jobs that the women are currently taking in the aviation industry, and encourage young girls or students to join the aviation industry and develop in that industry.
Basically, the Innovation Lab is a task force which is led by the CEO himself, Mohammed Yusuf bin Falah. And we have subject matter experts from different departments within BAC. And we're basically responsible or delegated by the CEO to explore innovative solutions to foster innovation and create a culture of innovation at BIA.
This is a place where our first inaugural flight started in 2003, and we continue to be proud of it, and we will be using Bahrain as a key airport for us to continue. And that happens because we always found a fantastic cooperation from the people who work at the Bahrain Airport Companies, Bahrain Airport, the handling agency. So everybody has been so supportive, and that's what encourages us to do so. At the same time, it's a good business hub that one cannot do without.
So this really is a true partnership where we're working with Bahrain Airport Company and their stakeholders, bringing together the real decision makers of the global route development community here in Bahrain in 2024 to host Routes World. So this is where decisions on the global air connectivity will take place, and it's a fantastic opportunity for Bahrain to showcase its offer, not only the airport but also the destination.
طبعا احنا في معرض البحرين للطيران بنوقع 5 عقود، 3 وقعناهم اليوم. العقد الاولي مع شركه تالا سيتا، المطور والمشغل الاساسي حق جميع سيستمات المطار في البحرين. العقد الثاني راح يكون مع شركه بيون واللي هو متخصص في جميع البنيه التحتيه حق المطار. العقد الثالث مع شركه سيتا اللي هو متخصص في البايومتريك والباسنجر اكسبيرينس.
This signing is about acquiring or leasing a piece of land at BIA for the development of a new MRO hangar for Gulf Air. Gulf Air being obviously the national carrier and the hub carrier at BIA. Well, definitely it will add to the slew of other stakeholders at BIA and BAC. In addition to the direct revenue to BAC, there is the indirect, obviously, revenue or benefit to BAC and its operation and the greater operation of BIA.
First of all, we are honored and privileged today that we signed 2 strategic contracts with Bahrain Airport Company. As you know, BAC is using state-of-the-art technologies and networking and communication, which is already established. So the first contract was for the maintenance and the support of these equipment and services and software related to networking and communication. The second agreement is we just launching a managed security services for the Bahrain Airport. And we've been honored today that this contract has been awarded to Gulf Business Machine Bahrain. So we are ranked one of the top of the airport in the world by using these technologies.
طبعا نحن في شركة أماكن سعيدين بتوقيع الاتفاقية مع شركة مطار البحرين، وهي اتفاقية لصيانة نظام مواقف السيارات في المطار. نتمنى أن تأخذنا إلى مجالات وآفاق أكبر لتطوير عملية صف السيارات في المطار وانسيابيتها. طبعا راح نقوم بإدخال تكنولوجيا جديدة في النظام للدفع وسهولة الدفع والدخول والخروج من المواقف عبر إدخال أنظمة جديدة مثل كاميرات لقط أرقام السيارات. ونتمنى أن نكون موفقين في إنجاز هذه الاتفاقية.